Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, authentic, original, the one, the only, the official, the guy from Pittsburgh, except no cheesy YouTube commentators, imposters, trolls. This is Burgh Unboxing. This is very small, and I wanted to measure myself with Kathy's help, see how big my waist is so I can get some newer clothes and nice clothes. So this is a tape measure. So this is all that's in here. And I thank the person that sent it. It was on my wish list. So there's a cloth tape measure. So now I can figure out how. I took measurements a few months ago, but I don't know if they've changed or not. If they've gone up or down, I have no idea. There's another Burgh unboxing to do over here. And things are falling, and boxes are everywhere. And I've been up all night, and I need to go to sleep in a minute. Alright, I have no internet. They cut it off without warning, without even so much as a notice. Your bill is due. Very aggravated at T-Mobile for that. The free Medicare phone died. This is the other one. It was on the refrigerator. I had to buy a new phone for $32 and pay Comcast $10. So if you want to donate, PayPal is falky2013@gmail.com. And my address, George Senda, 815 Court Street, number 786, Martinez, California, 94553. Kathy's coming over tomorrow, and you'll see in her video, but I don't know if she's going to be live or not, because we'll have to walk to somewhere with Wi-Fi, but they took all the benches out of the Barrelista, and the only other Wi-Fi that might be operating, I don't know if either one they're going to keep the Wi-Fi on there with the place boarded up. The same with the library. I don't know if the Wi-Fi is on there. That's the only two free Wi-Fis, and the bars are all closed, so there's only 3 Wi-Fi hotspots here. Starbucks will not work, and that's probably down too, so I may be stuck. I'll have to go to T-Mobile, activate my Wi-Fi, and then do a video on the iPad at T-Mobile. Okay, that's it for this one. Bye-bye for now.